Bees are among the most fascinating creatures in the natural world, known for their vital role in pollination, their intricate social structures, and the production of honey. These small, industrious insects belong to the order Hymenoptera and the family Apidae, which includes a variety of species, each with unique characteristics and behaviors. Let's delve into the world of bees, exploring their biology, behavior, ecological importance, and relationship with humans. The bee family is incredibly diverse, encompassing over 20,000 known species. These species range from the well-known honeybee Apis mellifera to bumblebees, carpenter bees, mason bees, and many more. Each species has adapted to its environment in unique ways, displaying a wide range of colors, sizes, and behaviors. Honeybees are perhaps the most recognized, living in large, highly organized colonies. They are social insects, meaning they live in cooperative groups with a division of labor. In contrast, solitary bees like mason bees do not live in colonies. Each female builds her nest and raises her young independently. Bumblebees are also social, but their colonies are smaller and less structured compared to honeybees. Bees have a distinctive anatomy that sets them apart from other insects. Their bodies are divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head houses the bee's sensory organs, including compound eyes that provide a wide field of vision and simple eyes that detect light intensity. Bees also have antennae, which they use for smelling and tasting. The mouth parts are specially adapted for collecting nectar and pollen, with a long tongue that can reach into flowers. Thorax is the central segment of the bee's body and is where the wings and legs are attached. Bees have two pairs of wings, the forewings and the hindwings, which work together during flight. The legs are also equipped with structures for collecting pollen, such as the pollen basket in honeybees. The abdomen contains the bee's digestive and reproductive organs. It also includes the sting, which some bee species use as a defense mechanism. The life cycle of bees varies significantly among species, but generally, it includes four stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. A queen bee lays eggs in cells prepared in the hive or nest. The type of egg fertilized or unfertilized determines whether the bee will be a female worker or queen or male drone. Once the egg hatches, it becomes a larva. Worker bees feed the larva a diet of royal jelly, pollen, and honey, depending on the bee's caste and species. After the larval stage, the bee pupates. During this stage, the larva transforms into an adult bee, developing wings, legs, and other adult features. The adult bee emerges from the pupal case and begins its life as a worker, queen, or drone, depending on its caste. Pollination is one of the most crucial ecological services provided by bees. As they collect nectar and pollen from flowers, bees inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the reproductive process in plants. This process is vital for the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds, making bees essential to agriculture and natural ecosystems. Honeybees are particularly efficient pollinators due to their social structure and ability to communicate through the waggle dance, a behavior that helps them convey the location of food sources to other members of the colony. However, all bee species contribute to pollination, each playing a role in maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. Honeybee colonies are complex social structures with a well-defined hierarchy and division of labor. The colony consists of three types of bees: the queen, workers, and drones. The queen is the only reproductive female in the colony. Her primary role is to lay eggs, which she does continuously. The queen also produces pheromones that regulate the behavior of the colony, maintaining social order. Worker bees are non-reproductive females that perform all the tasks necessary for the survival of the colony. These tasks include foraging for food, caring for the young, maintaining the hive, and protecting it from intruders. The role of a worker bee changes with age, starting with hive duties and progressing to foraging as they mature. Drones are male bees whose sole purpose is to mate with a queen. They do not participate in foraging or hive maintenance and are typically expelled from the hive before winter, as they are no longer needed. Bees have been valued by humans for thousands of years, not only for their role in pollination but also for the products they produce. Honey, beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly are some of the valuable substances that bees provide. Honey is a natural sweetener produced by honeybees from nectar. It has been used as a food and medicine throughout history, prized for its antibacterial properties and unique flavors. Beeswax is a versatile material used in candles, cosmetics, and as a food preservative. It is produced by worker bees from glands on their abdomens. Propolis, also known as bee glue, is a resinous mixture that bees use to seal gaps in the hive. It has antimicrobial properties and is used in traditional medicine. Royal jelly is a nutrient-rich substance fed to queen larvae. It is also used in dietary supplements and cosmetics. Despite their importance, bee populations worldwide face numerous threats. Habitat loss, pesticide exposure, climate change, disease, and parasites like the varroa mite have all contributed to declines in bee numbers. Habitat loss, particularly the destruction of wildflower-rich meadows and hedgerows, reduces the availability of food and nesting sites for bees. Pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, have been shown to harm bees, affecting their ability to navigate, forage, and reproduce.
Climate change is also impacting bee populations, altering the availability of flowers and shifting the timing of blooming periods. This mismatch between bees and their food sources can lead to starvation and colony collapse.
Planting bee-friendly gardens. Growing a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year provides bees with a continuous food source. Native plants are particularly beneficial as they are well suited to the local bee species. Avoiding pesticides, reducing or eliminating the use of pesticides in gardens and on farms can help protect bees from harmful chemicals. Supporting organic farming. Organic farms often provide better habitats for bees, as they avoid synthetic pesticides and promote biodiversity. Creating habitats, providing nesting sites, such as bee hotels for solitary bees, can help support local bee populations. And the last one is supporting conservation organizations. Many organizations work to protect bees and their habitats. Supporting these groups through donations or volunteer work can make a significant impact. The future of bees is uncertain, but there is hope. Research and conservation efforts are making strides in understanding and mitigating the challenges bees face. Public awareness and action are also growing, with more people recognizing the importance of bees and taking steps to protect them. Innovations in beekeeping practices, habitat restoration, and sustainable agriculture are all contributing to a brighter future for bees. As we continue to learn more about these incredible insects and their role in our world, we can work together to ensure their survival for generations to come. Bees are beautiful creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystems and agriculture. Their complex social structures, fascinating behaviors, and invaluable contributions to pollination make them a subject of endless fascination and importance. By understanding the challenges bees face and taking action to protect them, we can help ensure that these essential insects continue to thrive and support the natural world.